How to start a business from nothing in 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, the prospect of starting a business from nothing can seem daunting yet exhilarating. With the rise of technology, globalization, and changing consumer preferences, aspiring entrepreneurs have unprecedented opportunities to turn their ideas into successful ventures. Starting a business from nothing requires a combination of vision, determination, and strategic planning. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or a seasoned professional beginning on a new venture, the principles and strategies outlined in this guide are applicable to anyone looking to bring their entrepreneurial dreams to life. Identify your passion and purpose. The first step in starting a business from nothing is to identify your passion and purpose. What drives you, what excites you, and what problem you want to solve. Take the time to reflect on your interests, skills, and experiences to uncover potential business ideas that align with your values and goals. Consider the problems or challenges you've encountered in your own life or observed in your community, as these can often serve as inspiration for entrepreneurial ventures. Once you've identified a potential business idea, conduct thorough market research to assess its viability and demand. Look for gaps in the market, untapped opportunities in areas where you can add unique value or differentiate your offering from competitors. Explore potential target markets, customer demographics, and competitors to gain a deeper understanding of the competitive landscape and identify opportunities for innovation and differentiation. Develop a solid business plan. With a clear business idea in mind, the next step is to develop a solid business plan that outlines your vision, goals, and strategies for success. A business plan serves as a roadmap for your venture, guiding your decision-making and providing a framework for achieving your objectives. Start by defining your business concept, including your products or services, target market, value proposition, and competitive advantage. Next, outline your business's organizational structure, including key roles and responsibilities, as well as your marketing and sales strategies for acquiring customers and generating revenue. Conduct a thorough analysis of your industry, market trends, and competitive landscape to identify potential risks and opportunities, and develop strategies to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities. Bootstrap or seek funding. Once you have a solid business plan in place, the next step is to determine how you'll finance your venture. Depending on your resources and circumstances, you may choose to bootstrap your business, relying on personal savings, credit cards, or revenue generated from early sales to fund your operations. Bootstrapping allows you to maintain full control over your business and avoid taking on debt or giving up equity to investors. However, if your business requires significant upfront investment or you're looking to accelerate growth quickly, you may need to seek external funding from investors, lenders, or crowdfunding platforms. Prepare a compelling pitch deck or business proposal outlining your business concept, market opportunity, and growth potential to attract potential investors or lenders. Build your brand and online presence. With your business plan in hand and funding secured, it's time to focus on building your brand and establishing a strong online presence. Your brand is more than just a logo or a name. It's the essence of your business, encompassing your values, personality, and unique selling proposition. Start by defining your brand identity, including your brand story, mission statement, and visual elements, such as logos, colors, and fonts that reflect your brand's personality. Once you've defined your brand identity, create a professional website that serves as the central hub for your online presence. Your website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines to attract potential customers and drive traffic to your business. Launch your product or service. With your brand and online presence established, it's time to launch your product or service and start generating revenue. Whether you're offering a physical product, a digital service, or a subscription-based offering, focus on delivering exceptional value to your customers and exceeding their expectations. Leverage feedback from beta testers or early adopters to fine-tune your offering and address any issues or concerns before your official launch. Consider hosting a launch event or promotional campaign to generate buzz and excitement around your product or service. Offer special discounts, incentives, or bonuses to early customers to encourage them to try your offering and spread the word to their networks. Leverage email marketing, social media advertising, and other digital marketing tactics to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website or storefront. Focus on customer satisfaction and retention. As you grow your business, prioritize customer satisfaction and retention to build a loyal customer base and drive repeat business. Invest in delivering exceptional customer experiences at every touchpoint. from the moment a customer discovers your brand to the post-purchase support and follow-up. Listen to customer feedback, address any issues or concerns promptly, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Implement customer loyalty programs, referral incentives, and personalized marketing campaigns to incentivize repeat purchases and encourage customer advocacy. Build relationships with your customers and nurture a sense of community around your brand, fostering loyalty and trust that will keep customers coming back for more. Scale and expand your business. Once your business is up and running successfully, the next step is to focus on scaling and expanding your operations to reach new markets and customers. Evaluate your business performance and identify opportunities for growth, whether through geographic expansion, product diversification, or strategic partnerships. Consider leveraging technology and automation to streamline processes and increase efficiency, allowing you to scale your business without sacrificing quality or customer experience. Explore opportunities for strategic partnerships or collaborations with complementary businesses to expand your reach and access new customer segments. Whether through joint ventures, licensing agreements, or distribution partnerships, strategic alliances can help accelerate your growth and open up new revenue streams. Additionally, consider franchising or licensing your business model to entrepreneurs looking to replicate your success in new markets or territories. Adapt to changing market conditions. In today's dynamic business environment, agility and adaptability are key to long-term success. Stay informed about market trends, industry developments, and regulatory changes that may impact your business, and be prepared to pivot or adjust your strategies accordingly. Monitor your competition closely and identify opportunities to differentiate your offerings and stay ahead of the curve. Embrace innovation and experimentation, encouraging a culture of continuous learning and improvement within your organization. Invest in technology and digital transformation initiatives to enhance efficiency, productivity, and customer experience, positioning your business for success in the digital age. Moreover, foster a culture of agility and resilience, empowering your team to adapt to change and overcome challenges with creativity and resourcefulness. Additionally, prioritize sustainability and corporate social responsibility in your business practices, aligning your values with those of your customers and stakeholders. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.